guys. Hey, it's 8:26 in the morning on Tuesday the 6th. Just figured I'd try to do a video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do any training or not. Excuse me. Didn't sleep very well, so sit back. We've had a pretty much wild and crazy Friday and Monday. Really want to see if we, get a little turnaround today, or what, or if they want to take us a little bit higher. We'll see. We've got 144s pushing up right now, starting to get extended. Same thing on the 233. 377s trying to get up onto the rail. We do have some separation, little hill on the 610. Could push up here. We are underneath the zero lines here. And 987s came right down to the zero line and is pushing in. 1597 fell out. Got a little separations. I think it's just pulling it into the closer to the band. 4181 had their bulge yesterday, but price held up all day, even with that nice bulge on the 4181. So we'll see how things go today. Just gonna sit back and kind of see what they want to do. We had a little drop last night. So kind of curious if this was, yeah, I think we've got enough room to probably run. I've got it marked at 38.3. That's the high over here. It's 3 tick difference. But some of the higher time frames are starting to roll a little bit. The 765 is starting to get its bow, but it could come back down and back up again to form a little double top there. 11,000's pulled in. It looks like it could still run some more. And 17,000 steadily. It's just pushing. So we are pretty extended, but hey, that's where it is right now. I hope everybody's having a great week. I haven't done a whole lot. See if they try to push this straight out today or what they do. That might have been it for the opening to get a push down. There we go. Mark the 88. How hard this pushing? I think we should be able to get up to the 89. Yeah.
Order pending.
No, it rolled over right there. Okay.
Order canceled.
Get these out of the way. Hit that fate. Let's pull up. Field. We do have a little bit of a bow here, and that would have been nice to get it up here at the 88. how strong the market's been the last couple of days, I figured they'll keep trying. We'll find a failure point. I'm not sure if it's going to be inside this box, but even if they break it down, uh, they're gonna. I would think they're gonna come back and try to slap the head against some type of resistance number once we figure out where it is. Before we see rejection, no reason not to see 1145, 1140. You know, as long as everything holds up. Made a little bit higher high, but it sure didn't make it up there. All right, we'll see how the buyers are today, because this little setup here on the 144, we should come down a few points from there now. But what I can see from yesterday, after going over what it did, a lot of these smaller time frame signals, they worked a little bit. You know, you had to be quick, 2 points, stuff like that. You had 1 5-point dip, but the long-term buyer or whoever was buying yesterday and Friday was just relentless. This could be it. I just have to have more signals for me to do anything this morning, just because what we've seen for the last 2 trading days. $37.4 is what I was looking for.
Order filled.
And 1 point above the high. We're going to try it here. We could go up and still make one more high. I mean, we really could. 610 is running into the 0 line. We'll see if we can get a deeper rotation and test some of these lower lows here. But you see, it is absolutely relentless at this point of hanging on to price.
Order pending.
Not going to let it go back since it's coming into the 0 line. Just will be mindful. You know, just take a couple points out. That's what it's been wanting to give us for the last couple days, it looks like. check the Japanese. Let's see. See if we can break these lows here. We might not. I want to break even +1. I'm not gonna let this come back on me. And you've got the way things are going. There we go. Getting the push on the 144 now. Got the push on the 233. Got the hook on the 377. And bear flag 610. It could be a bull flag forming, but it is underneath the 0 line. Okay, I'm gonna lock in. Lock in a point, and there's your 3 points. So that's about what it's been, what I could tell it's been giving us. See if this breaks down. Looks like it wants to. Got a nice push, nice push, nice push. See where the retracement would be on here. So crapper. It might come back and get us here. Yeah. We locked in a little bit on the first trade.
Cancelled. Order pending.
Had to stop in the wrong place. Let's see if they want to push this higher. The way things are going, I guess there's no reason to push anything. We got a nice little foot forming off the 987 right at the 0 line. So let's just sit back and be patient. And see if they drop it and make just a little bit higher high to go test the highs from yesterday. There we go. It has been relentless. So you said that 610, forms a bear flag, it looks like, and it brings it down. Looks like a bull flag. Just coming into the 0 line, making that little foot. Had me kind of wondering, see if we get rejection there. Getting on top of the rail. I believe we'll get
Order cancelled.
we'll get another push higher here. getting that move into that 89%. And we try to take a measured move, I guess, to see if still don't have good separation here, nor here or here. We're starting to get away from the band, but you know the 610 with this could we could push this on maybe 111.41. You know, like I was saying, up in this area. Okay, start. So up a cool $100 bill so far. We should get this push. There's the 89%. Should get a rotation up in here. Remember, 83.3 is the high. Let's see. Bonds are on their daily low. I'm starting to get some separation here. Let's see if it need to reach one more time. Thinking 40 point, this 39. Okay, it's starting to reach. $233 is hugging the rail though. I need some quick bars up to get these separated and get it pulled away from the band. Okay, we did break the hive yesterday. There's a bulge we were looking for. Don't have it on the 233. We see how the 610 reacted. 987 is coming underneath the top of the band. Bands are pretty close together. This, how far this is pushing, we should get one on top of the band here. And the 1597 might, the band and the BBs will probably catch up. Looks like they're having a little trouble at yesterday's high. We'll see if it finally, I think it's waiting on the ES. There we go.
Order pending.
So we get that one more push up from here. Nope. Dadgummit. Didn't quite make it. No, it's a fairly large area. Finally took effect, but let's see how much we get. I mean, from what research yesterday and Friday, the pullbacks were pretty shallow. Get that out of the way. F8. Yeah, real shallow. Nah, you booger. There's a 2-point pullback so far.
Order canceled.
And like I said, for the last 2 trading days, we haven't had a significant pullback or retracement whatsoever. So until you start seeing it happen, you got caught up on Friday and caught up on yesterday trying to pick tops. You were feeling a little bit of pain, so we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. because the bonds are still on the low. Everything else is pretty much on the high except the NQ. Alright, I'll pause this, come back later, man. We'll just see what kind of pullback we get, see what fib numbers that come in support, and see if they want to take it long one more time, or if they're going to go ahead and try to pull this back the rest of the day. Okay, so they did run it all the way back up, tested it. So we could be making a bear flag here, but we are above the zero line, so this does look like it wants to roll over. This could come straight across and back up though. 610, it's still pushing up, but it is on the inside of the rail. But right now you just got to give the benefit of the doubt. Real shallow pullbacks. $9.87 still pushing on the inside, underneath the rail, underneath the band.
Order canceled.
Okay, we did get a break of the highs. $6.10 still pushing. Change this color. Okay, it's gotten locked on the rail, 987, so I would imagine we're going to get into this area. Let's see where the SPX is. See any reason not to hit this upper area. We'll keep an eye on it here real quick. See if do we have divergence right here on the 144, but that's about it on the lower time frames.
Order pending.
Hmm. $15.97 is coming to underneath the band. Come straight up into it. Like I said, 987's got one on top of the rail and trying to form another.
Order filled.
Might be a little early here. I'm going to be one tick above the box here. Probably going to be wrong since this is pushing too hard. It's only got 114 ticks left. That's what I'm counting on this rejection, at least getting somewhat of a little pullback here. The 233. Not sure what we'll see here. Oil still ripping higher. Gold's higher. Need some quick bars down here. You see we're pushing, but price isn't moving as quick as the momentum is. That's what we've been seeing for the last couple of days. So
Order pending.
it's gonna be quick in and outs. It looks like still again today. I do see pressure 144. So we'll try to hang on to this, see if we can get a rotation here or not. Want it to come down where I can at least get this pulled in. So we're 4 ticks from the high so far today. But you see price is not moving very dramatically off the highs just yet. Which tells me that we might just sit through a little heat here. There's your 1 point, and it's bouncing back up. So you just hadn't been getting short hadn't been the way to go, that's for sure. If you did, looked at what the last 2 trading days have done. Let's see how many more folks they want to squeeze out, keep it small, and take what it gives you. Alright, I'll pause this. Let's see, I don't. Let's see. Okay guys, I'll pause it. The video is already 36 minutes long. Okay guys, we're back. We are getting that rotation down now. We're pushing pretty good on the 144, 233. 377 has not closed underneath the band yet. We do have the bulge on the 610. Remember, we can bulge and still come up a little bit, so you need to be mindful of that. Mindful of retracements. It'd have to break the highs to get us. Just seeing if maybe we add up in here. Let's see. Alright, I'll pause it and come back. Alright guys, getting a retracement back up. We can take some of this off here where you can get an idea of what's going on. I'm +1. We came up to the 61.8, so I'm pretty much right at the 89%. And how strong the market's been, I mean, this is surely a bear flag coming into the zero line. But you did have your good, 4-point rotation down, it looks like, this time. I think yesterday was about 5 points was the largest, so we will try to hold and see what the day brings, if they can if we can stay in it here. Market might not give us a chance. Could be a left shoulder, head, right shoulder maybe.
Order pending.
See if I can add here. See if it'll give me a little confirmation. Well, this thing just, it doesn't want to go down, does it? See if it comes back and tests the red is the high of yesterday. Let's see if they come and make that resistance. See how the bear flag played out, coming down for now. The way this thing's been going the last couple days. You could turn around right here and make, run another 5 points the way it's been going the last couple days. You can see the 144 really wanting to push down. It's these smaller time frame, just the whipsaw. Yesterday was fairly straight up. There's your deep retracement. Watch this red line is what we're looking for.
Order canceled.
I'm keeping on that red line. It's 38.3. That's the high of yesterday. Let's see. Starting to push. Need the 610 to get underneath the band here. 987 is going to come to the bottom of the band here. Could act as support. Coming into VWAP. Coming into this congestion area here. So, technically you could pull some here if you wanted to. Oops. See if it breaks down. It does. So that 61.8 was the add place. I thought it might come out back one more time to test that, which is fine. I'm gonna lock in a few more ticks. Let's check it out from the low. Let's see if it's hanging in the 38. So half back would be at 35.1 of the whole move from 3 o'clock till this morning. Well, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. How many points was that? So pretty much gets you down to the 76 for a measured move. Anything else pushing well. 41.81 starting to really work its magic now. Excuse me. Get our markers on here. So you would want it to stay. We could try to do a head test again. Lock in a point, full point now. There we go.
Order canceled.
Keep checking, make sure. Alright, we're still above the 76. 61.8 and 76. This zone into this area is what we're looking for. I'm not seeing any slowdown just yet. And there we go, slice right through. Okay, check it again. We might, since we broke that one, make sure we're staying, above any bounce areas if we can. Check the ES. It's at half back now, so the TF is weaker. There we go. All right. We're up about 7 points now. Probably
Order pending.
let's see if we can get down to, I don't want it to come back on me since I've only got one contract. I also want to try to ride this down as far as possible as well. I'm thinking that maybe we, alright, double bottom there. I'm going to start bringing the brackets in closer. Let's see, it's 6 points.
Order
Just going to take it there. Alright, 720. Alright, that's about it. We could get another bear flag, get a push up into, let's see, there's a 23. I should have paid attention to that. We could run all the way up to 35.1 if they really wanted to. We do have a lot of down pressure now. We are coming back into the zero line here. And of course, that's where they're going to roll it. Get some of this off the screen. Alright, well, hope everybody has a good day. I've got to go get some stuff done. I hope everybody's being safe out there. Hope everybody has a great day, and hope to talk to y'all soon.